Stop. Go High Level is 50% off right now. This could be the cheapest you'll ever get in. Plus, they're giving away free AI all summer long. Yes, you heard it right. 50% off all 3 different plans. It is so much cheaper. Plus, free AI all summer long. Guys, this is probably the best promo I have ever seen High Level do. And to get access to it, you go right down below using my link, and you're going to get access to everything. It's going to be on this landing page, and it's going to be a banner right up top that's going to say Summer of AI or something like that. You click it, you get in, or you use my other links and you'll still get in. But it's 50% off. You can also upgrade, okay, with 50% off. This is huge. I do not think you understand how big this is, but I am also going to give you a special bonus on top of all this to give you even more incentive to get your 50% off. But first, let me quickly show you what you're getting. So first, 50% off Go High Level. Very self-explanatory, absolutely amazing, off all the plans, and it's free. That is absolutely insane. But it's not just the fact that you're getting 50% off. You are also getting free AI all summer long. So I'm talking Ask AI, free, yes. Yeah, having it build whatever you want, AI chatbots, calendars, pipelines. You can just talk to this thing and it will build, and it's free. You also get access to the Vibe Coder where you can build websites, your own apps. I mean, amazing stuff for free all summer long. Plus the AI agents. Guys, this is so important because if you're trying to sell local businesses on this exact thing, you can use these AI chatbots conversationally and the ones that call and talk to people as a lead magnet. So you can go up to a local business and go, hey, I'm going to give you this AI chatbot for 2 weeks for free, or this AI voice agent 2 weeks free. Costs you $0, but to them, massive value. Guys, this could be the summer of making it rain. Yes, you could absolutely have a massive breakout in this summer. Guys, I'm telling you, I don't get super hyped for nothing, but this is worth getting absolutely hyped over because you're getting access to all of their stuff for free. You're getting access to High Level for a discount plus their AI. You also even get access to their workflow builders. You can build workflows for free automatically and any other AI feature. All of this plus High Level for 50% off, and you get access by clicking the link right down below and getting in. But that is not all, okay? Because as you know, the wizard always over delivers. So on top of that, you get access to my private community, as you already know, all of my training modules, and all of my live calls, even ones with me, yes, where you can talk to me, ask me questions, go over different stuff. Plus, you get access to all of these amazing calls with all of our amazing world-class coaches for free. And you can really come in here and message me whenever you want. But that is just a little bonus. We're going to give you access to our 30-day challenge for free on top of the 50% off and the free AI. Yes, a challenge where we are not only going to help you even more to help you find a client, like giving you motivation, giving you that kind of curated one-on-one help, really pushing you to get a client, but also giving you the opportunity to win one of 3 prizes. Yes, no one else is doing this in the High Level space. It is absolutely insane. The first prize is a really warm, big lead. We're talking potentially up to $2,000 per month. Again, there are no guarantees, but potentially. The other one's going to be a slightly smaller lead, but still good, maybe $300-400 a month. But again, we're just going to hand these leads to you. You just have to close them. And then the last will be an Amazon gift card for a couple $100. But if we see a lot of people participating, which it's absolutely insane, people are crushing. I mean, you can see right in here, people are landing tons of clients. I mean, it's amazing, and they're loving it. We'll give another gift card away, so there'll be 2 gift cards, but that's if people really go ham. So this is also free on top of all this other stuff. Yes, you do not have to pay me a single penny for all of these amazing bonuses. Guys, there is nothing like this right now, and this is only live for the next 6 days. So please get in on it while you can. You do not want to miss out. Please don't miss out. I know so many people that will sit on the fence and they'll not go. The 6 days will go up and then they have to pay full price. They have to pay for all the AI and they don't get access to my amazing community with all of the opportunities we have in it. So guys, if this interests you and you're like, I'm down, I'm ready to go absolutely ham, the link is right down below. You literally see it and you get in. It'll look like this. Either click these links to get started or click the banner right here to immediately save 50% off on Go High Level. It's a no-brainer, guys. You really want to do this. I'm serious. Like it's amazing. High Level never did this when I first got started. There was never any summer sales. There was never AI, summer of AI promo. This didn't exist, but now it does. So it's like take advantage of it. And the amount of people, I'm just going to say this real quick before we end this video, the amount of people I know that come in that have done really well off of like a 50% off or one of these promos is insane, because what happens is you get that low discount, okay, you pay less money, but if you can land a paying client, you can not only cover the lower price, but you can stack up some money in the back end to not only pay yourself, but to pay, okay, for the subscription in the months to come. So it is like one of the best opportunities to slide in. Also, as I said before, with the free AI, it is just absolutely a game changer. And guys, again, you're getting access to extra bonuses. No one else is doing this. Like, if you don't believe me, go look. No one is giving away what I'm giving away on top of this. It is absolutely insane. And I want to say this too. I did not become the #1 affiliate on GoHighLevel for no reason. I am the #1 affiliate because I give more than anyone else. And I can say this safely because the leaderboard says it. And I'm not just bragging to you. I'm saying this because I know I can help you. Okay, you got to be willing to work hard, obviously, but I know I can help you. So again, if you're interested in all this, the link is right down below. It's mind-blowing. Okay, just one last time, 50% off all 3 plans, plus all of the AI you could possibly want for free, plus my community, my calls and everything, and the 30-day challenge for free. And guys, it's only going to be available for the next 6 days. This does disappear. This is not fake. It will go away and you will lose your discount. And the amount of people I see that go, damn it, why didn't I sign up? It's a lot of them. And I'm like, don't be like that, because it's a pain in the ass. So please go down below, sign up with that amazing 50% off link, and I'll see you inside the private community. And I look forward to seeing you crush it. Hit the link down below.